Something massive is already starting to happen right now, and in 2026 it's going to completely dominate how money is made online. Most people won't see it coming until it's too late, and the people who do see it early are going to be the ones quietly stacking monthly income while everyone else is still jumping from idea to idea and hoping that the next thing works. What I want to talk to you about today is affiliate marketing, but not in the way that you've probably heard of it before. Not random Amazon links, not low ticket junk, and not one-off commissions. I'm talking specifically about affiliate marketing in the health and wellness space, and more importantly, the longevity sub-niche, because this is where real money is starting to move. Here's why this matters. Health and wellness is not a trend. It's an inevitable. People are living longer, people are more health conscious than ever before, and people are spending serious money trying to feel better, think clearer, and extend their lifespan. And the key word there is spending. This isn't a niche where someone buys once and you never see them again. This is a niche where people buy every single month. Supplements, functional mushrooms, nootropics, anti-aging stacks, gut health, sleep optimization. This stuff becomes part of their daily routine. These aren't impulse buys, they're habits that become deeply woven into people's lives. So they reorder every month and they stay customers for a really long time. So let's say you're promoting a functional mushroom supplement. This is something absolutely exploding right now. The product costs $30 and the customer reorders every single month with an affiliate commission of 25%. So yes, on the surface, that's $7.50 per customer. And because of that, a lot of people stop thinking right there and say, that's not worth it. And they go looking for one-off products that they can sell for $100 with 50% commission instead. And that's because they're thinking like beginners. But I'll explain what actually happens in that niche. People who care about their health almost never just buy one product. In fact, in the health and wellness space, especially longevity, it's extremely common for people to spend $300 to $400 per month on supplements without even thinking about it. So now that same 25% commission is no longer $7.50. It's averaging at $87.50 per customer per month. And this is the part that changes everything. These products are consumables. People don't buy them once. They reorder every single month automatically, often on subscription, which means your income doesn't reset to zero at the start of every month. It stacks up. If you have 100 people doing that, that's over $8,000 a month. If you have 500 people doing that, that's over $43,000 a month. And if you have 1,000 regular customers, which sounds like a big number until you understand how large this market actually is and how fast you can accumulate that many regular customers, well, at that point, you're earning over $87,000 every single month. And as you'll always be adding more customers every month, that figure grows. This is why people who understand reoccurring affiliate income stop chasing new customers all the time. Your income compounds because your customers keep reordering. Okay, now here is one of the most important parts to this that if you want to make big money, you need to understand. The longevity space is still early. Yes, people are talking about it. Yes, you're seeing more and more content around it, but mass adoption hasn't happened yet. The real explosion happens when longevity stops being seen as a biohacker thing and starts becoming a mainstream priority. And that shift is already underway. As people live longer, work longer, and try to stay sharp into their 50s, 60s, and beyond, they're going to spend more and more money on anything that promises better health, better focus, and a longer life. That's not speculation, that's human behavior. And some people will spend mega money on it because of one simple question. What would you do to live an extra 5 or 10 years? Warren Buffett, who's currently worth over $147 billion, has famously said he would give up every penny of that just to be 30 again. Brian Johnson is spending over $2 million every single year and has a brutal, unforgiving daily routine in an attempt to extend his life. So I've given you the figures for 1,000 regular customers, but the thing is, this industry is massive and you'd be surprised just how quickly you can accumulate over 1,000 customers. If you're early, if you build up an audience and position yourself properly, then 5,000 or 10,000 regular customers over a couple of years is not crazy at all. In fact, it's really quite achievable. At that point, you're not talking about side income income. No, this can rapidly replace your full-time income. You're talking about hundreds of thousands, even over $1 million per month in just commissions, all from products you didn't create, you didn't ship, you didn't support, and you didn't have to manage in any way. And no, that's not guaranteed, nothing is. A major factor in this comes down to your approach and how much effort you put into it. In life, there is no magic switch that will instantly make you a millionaire. You have to put the work in yourself, and you have to start now, before the niche really takes off and everyone else jumps on board. And the point I'm making is that currently the opportunity exists, and it exists right now. The mistake most people make is waiting until something feels safe. They want to wait until everyone is talking about it and everyone is showing their income. They wait until the wave has already passed. And by then, the easy growth is gone. You'll still be able to make money in the niche, but it will be a lot harder. Health and wellness will always be profitable. It's an evergreen niche and you can make money in it for easily the next 20 years. But the people who start now, while the wave is still building, are the ones who build real momentum. This is exactly how every major online opportunity works. Early adopters build quietly and make a lot of money. And the late adopters have to compete loudly against everyone else. So if you've been looking for a way to make money online that doesn't rely on constant hustling, doesn't require you to create your own products, and actually compounds over time, then this is something you need to be paying attention to. Because by the end of 2026, this won't be a secret anymore, and the people who got in early will already be miles ahead. So if you want to learn how to position yourself properly, how to build simple systems around this, and how to do affiliate marketing the smart way, then make sure you're subscribed to the channel and go ahead and download a free copy of my affiliate starter pack from the link in the description. A lot of new millionaires are going to be made this year. Are you going to be one of them?